Hey, hello guys. So welcome back to the channel. So this is after a long time. I'm again recording something for my YouTube. So I was thinking for a long time of creating this content, but मुझे इतना time नहीं मिल रहा था. So today अभी as of now Yashvi is sleeping. तो मैंने सोचा कि this is the right time. Let me just record this. तो ये इस वीडियो में I am mainly going to share my pregnancy journey, my experience. ऐसा कुछ खास नहीं है, बस जितना मैंने experience किया I just wanted to share with all of you. क्योंकि मुझे पता है मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स ऐसे हैं हु आर इन दिस फेज. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी टेल यू, वी से प्रेगनेंसी इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल जर्नी. ये सच नहीं है. इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल जर्नी बट यू ऑलवेज कैन नॉट से इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल. ये ऐसा जर्नी है विच इज़ मिक्सड ऑफ ऑल काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग्स. कभी आपको लगेगा यू आर द मोस्ट हैप्पीएस्ट वुमन. कभी आपको लगेगा कि दुनिया के सारे दुख आपके लाइफ में ही आ गया है, बिकॉज यू हैव दिस मूड स्विंग्स. दिस इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ योर प्रेगनेंसी जर्नी. व्हेन आई गॉट टू नो दैट आई एम प्रेग्नेंट, व्हेन आई फर्स्ट गॉट टेस्टेड पॉजिटिव, my feeling was awesome. I was really excited. It was nothing planned, but I felt it's a blessing and we should accept it. Whereas my husband, he was bit nervous about, वो बहुत ज़्यादा conscious हो गया मेरे health को लेके, how am I going to deal with it, so he was a bit nervous. So it was a phase when we traveled from Bangalore to Kolkata. The day I got to know, the next day only we traveled. Somewhere, if you are pregnant, like few symptoms which might be common or which I have faced, that is like, first of all, you'll be feeling very tired. And second thing is always means you will feel like whatever you are eating, you will feel like you will be vomiting. For half of the food habits will be changing for you. Things which you used to like the most, you may start hating those things. And always very tired. So these were the symptoms for which I wanted to test myself, because the next day I was traveling to Kolkata, so I have to make sure, because I will be carrying heavy luggages, so I should not be doing it if I'm positive. And on top of that, I was a person who used to regularly take apple cider vinegar. So if you're pregnant, you are not supposed to take it anymore. So after that, once we reached to Kolkata, in the month of June and July, what is the condition of Kolkata here? I mean mainly in West Bengal. So the weather irritated me a lot. Anyways, we again thought of getting a property. Most of you have seen our vlogs. So our throughout my pregnancy journey, it was like shifting from Bangalore to Kolkata. After that, coming to Kolkata and then flat hunting, which was the most difficult part. And when we both are planning for a property, one person cannot take the call. So I traveled a lot during this time, because we have to travel to a lot of places. The whole day was very hectic, because once we start a journey, we wanted to cover all the areas. Once the flat was finalized, then again this loan path started, then which bank to approach, then we needed our documents, this that. And as both of us were fully occupied with this, so every places demanded the presence of both of us. So once that was done, it was like, now what, now to get settled. So the painting of the house and all and everything, I wanted to do it myself, because I didn't want anything to go wrong, when like this is my first property, and I was very choosy about each and everything. At the night, when I should be sleeping, I should be taking a good sleep, I was like, what color should I do, how my wall should look, what should be the wallpaper. So this all thinkings were there. I will say this was a kind of blessing for me, because I was too occupied with my office work, my this flat setting up and all this. So there might be some changes going on, but I didn't pay much attention to them. But one thing which is very important is that the food, whatever you are having, you don't have to take something very extraordinary. Just have the regular food. The only thing which you have to be very conscious about, the content of the folic acid, that is the iron tablets, calcium tablets, multivitamin. These three things for sure you will be taking. that your doctor will be recommending you. But apart from that, always try to get things via food, because what like doctors say that whatever you are, the percentage you are getting it through a tablet is less when you get something from food. So that is the best part. So have fruits, keep yourself hydrated. You might be busy with a lot of things, but always concentrate on the foods. So once everything was done, my shifting, we shifted to the new flat. That was also done during this journey only. I was very conscious. In hurry, I should not be picking up any heavy luggage while shifting. What happens, like the initial 2 to 3 months, it's going to be very irritating. Means it won't be very smooth, you won't feel good at all. Half of the foods you will not like, whatever is given to you, you will find either it's to be very spicy or it's not tasty at all. You will not like any food. Like that's what happened to me. I didn't feel like eating in the initial month. Then from the fifth month, it was better. Fifth to 7.5 months, it was all good. I was feeling hungry, I was eating, but I never ate to that much extent. I was having my normal diet. It's not that I was always feeling hungry or something. Few foods for which I craved a lot. One was this fuchka, we call it golgappe, or gupchup, बहुत कुछ बोलते हैं इसको. So this thing, I loved it. देन समवेयर आई स्टार्टेड क्रेविंग फॉर इडली. ये पता नहीं कहाँ से हो गया, मुझे इडली के लिए मैं पागल हो रही थी. सो ऑलवेज आई वॉन्टेड टू हैव इडली. एंड देन रात में उठ उठ के मन करता था कि आइसक्रीम खाऊं. सो दैट वॉज माई मिड नाइट क्रेविंग ऑलवेज फॉर आइसक्रीम, पेस्ट्रीज, ये सब कुछ खाने में, मतलब खाने का हमेशा मन करता था. सो एंड फ्यू थिंग्स आई स्टार्टेड हेटिंग वॉज अंडा. अंडा आई देख के भी मुझे वॉमिटिंग आ जाता था. अंडा, ऑनियन, दिस टू आई स्टार्टेड इन माई फिफ्थ और 6 मंथ, आई थिंक 6 मंथ से फिर से ठीक लगने लगा. एंड एनी वेज, बॉइल्ड एग इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर योर बेबीज़ ग्रोथ. तो once if you are comfortable with it, then start taking a boiled egg every day. For me, my tummy was not that enlarged, my baby bump was small. बहुत दिन तक पता ही नहीं चला था लोगों को, because I was doing vlogging, I was traveling to places, I was meeting friends. तो सब लोग यही बोल रहे थे लग ही नहीं रहा है. So it started to grow mainly लास्ट में. बहुत लोग का ऐसा होता है कि लास्ट में जाके वो बहुत, मतलब बहुत अच्छे से वो ग्रो करना स्टार्ट करता है बेबी बम. तो उस टाइम वंस इट स्टार्ट्स ग्रोइंग, तो सोने का दिक्कत स्टार्ट हो जाता है. यू कैन नॉट स्लीप लाइक स्ट्रेट. आइदर यू हैव टू बी ऑन योर लेफ्ट और यू हैव टू बी ऑन योर राइट. सो आई विल से ऑलवेज टेक अ पिलो और अ कुशन. जैसे कि मेरा यही था जो मैं अभी भी लेके बैठी हूँ. आई यूज़ टू ऑलवेज यूज़ दिस वन. तो इसको पहले साइड में रख के देन यू स्लोली टर्न, सो दैट योर दिस बेबी बम्प इज़ ऑन इट. तो वो ना सेम लेवल पे आ जाएगा. आप ऐसे टर्न करोगे तो वो ऐसे नीचे गिरेगा, तो यू कैन नॉट स्लीप. सो यू नीड समथिंग टू हैव इट इन दैट लेवल. सो ऑलवेज यूज़ दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन. एंड ऑलवेज ट्राई वाइल यू आर प्रेगनेंट टू, सब लोग यही बोलते हैं कि जस्ट टर्न टू योर लेफ्ट साइड एंड स्लीप. दो इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा राइट होके सोती थी, बट इट्स गुड इफ़ यू टर्न ऑन योर लेफ्ट, बिकॉज दे से द ब्लड फ्लो अच्छा रहता है. सो ये 8-9 मंथ में चलना फिरना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है, बट डोंट फील फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. मैं इस 8 मंथ में भी मैं आई विजिटेड ऑल काइंड ऑफ पार्टीज़. न्यू ईयर पार्टी, शादी में गई थी. मैं ज़्यादा देर तक घर में बैठे नहीं रह सकती. आई फील वेरी बोर. सो आई ऑलवेज वॉन्ट टू गो आउट, आई वॉन्ट टू मीट फ्रेंड्स, आई वॉन्ट टू मीट पीपल. आई लव इट इन दिस वे. सो आई डिड एवरीथिंग टिल द लास्ट डे. बट यू डू ओनली इफ योर बॉडी परमिट्स. ऐसा नहीं है कि बस, मतलब योर बॉडी इज़ नॉट परमिटिंग, स्टिल यू आर डूइंग इट. नो, दैट इज़ डेंजरस टू योर हेल्थ. एंड समवेयर हियर आई विल से very important role what who plays is your husband. So he was very supportive. अगर मैं कहीं जाना चाहती थी, so it was like fine, you can go, we'll have safety measures and then we can definitely travel. When you are becoming a mother, Always don't nag about your physical health. You know, you are giving birth to someone, you are having a life inside you, and your body will show some changes. जब मैं सोती थी मुझे क्रैम्प्स आने लगता था पैर में. इफ़ यू आर ऑल्सो फेसिंग, ट्राई टू हैव मोर बनानाज इन योर डाइट. तो जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहा है ना, वो सबका सोल्यूशन ढूंढो. वट एवर प्रॉब्लम्स यू आर गेटिंग, टॉक टू योर डॉक्टर. You might be, I don't know how many of you will do it, but I read some pregnancy books which was really helpful. Always have one thing in mind, we are so lucky कि हम लोग एक अच्छे से घर में रह के बहुत केयरिंग पैम्पर्ड होके वी आर गिविंग अ बर्थ. देर आर वुमेन जिसके बारे में कोई केयर भी नहीं करता है. वो लोग पता नहीं कहाँ बर्थ देता है अपने बेबी को. कोई फुटपाथ में देता है, कोई ब्रिज के नीचे देता है, कोई रात में कहीं पर भी उसका बच्चा हो गया. पीपल डोंट इवन नो. I worked till my last date. 19th I got admitted, 18th was my last day in office, where I did work from home, sitting comfortably. There are women जो फिज़िकली काम करते हैं, जो think about the women who work at the construction site. Think about the women जो हर दिन घर में जा के पोछा झाड़ू सब कुछ लगाते हैं. You will be feeling frustrated about one thing कि नाउ यू आर मोर डिपेंडेंट ऑन पीपल, क्योंकि आप नीचे झुक नहीं सकते हो. और इसी फेज़ में ना सबसे ज़्यादा चीज़ें नीचे गिरता है. व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू बी अ मदर, द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ your mothers, that is whether your mother-in-law or your own mother, they play a very vital role. As in my pregnancy journey, for most of the time it was me and my mother-in-law who stayed together. So she used to take care of my food and like fruits, whatever I'm having or not, because I used to get occupied with my calls, meetings, and here and there a lot of works. But she used to make sure I'm taking things at the right time, and so she did a lot for me, and that's only a mother can do for you. When I came with Yashvi back to my home, my mother, she came to stay with me, and at that time I was not in a condition to take care of my baby. She used to totally take care of Yashvi when she used to get up. It was only that feeding I did. Rest everything she used to do, bathing and all, and cleaning everything. So that's when I realized, like, it's a blessing, like when you're becoming a mother and you have this two moms beside you. Just because of them, like, I am stable now. Just because of my mom, I could recover, because she took this much care for Yashvi. And my mom, she used to always mentally give me a lot of support. So they are the real angels. So I'm so blessed to have both of them. To all the husbands, I will say this is a very special and a very different phase for every woman, and they demand some kind of extra care, and they deserve it actually. तो हो सके तो जितना टाइम हो सके अपने वाइफ को देना. इधर सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ होता है हस्बैंड वाइफ, दे शुड स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टुगेदर. अपने हस्बैंड से बहुत ज़्यादा भी कुछ उम्मीद मत रखना, बिकॉज यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, इफ दिस इज़ योर फर्स्ट टाइम, इवन दिस इज़ देयर फर्स्ट टाइम एज वेल, दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम दे आर डीलिंग अ प्रेगनेंट वुमन. सो दे ऑल्सो नीड सम टाइम, दे ऑल्सो नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड थिंग्स. कभी ऐसा होता है यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग समथिंग, वो लोग करते नहीं हैं, यू फील वेरी बैड एट दैट टाइम. कभी ऐसा होता है यू डोंट इवन एक्सपेक्ट एनीथिंग, एंड वॉट एवर दे विल बी डूइंग इट फॉर यू, यू विल फील ग्रेट. तो इस टाइम ना अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. अच्छा बात करो, talk about the baby, talk to the baby. Also, one more thing, stay away from people who are always there to frighten you or scare you. Being a pregnant doesn't mean you are sick or you are incapable. You are pregnant, dude, you are not sick. तो अभी जितना हो सके मैंने कवर किया. होप सो कुछ रिलेटेबल होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा, बट आई होप सो यू ऑल विल लाइक इट. सो मैं इसके बाद और भी शेयर करूँगी अबाउट द न्यू बॉर्न केयर्स, जितना भी हो सके. अभी इतना टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई वॉन्ट टू स्पेंड विथ माई बेबी, क्योंकि उसका बचपन फिर चला जाएगा ना, वो वापस नहीं मिलने वाला है. सो दैट्स वाई आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू मिस अ सिंगल मोमेंट. So that's all guys, thank you so much for watching the video.